Follow the step on how to make a simple Instagram post design in Adobe Illustrator step by step. Let's start with creating new document. I use sizes 1000 by 1000 px. Make rectangle. Go to Object, Path, and Offset Path. Fill 60. Delete this. Select, right-click, and make guides. Make rectangle again. Make a line using pen tool. Press Escape. Change stroke number. Press slash to remove fill color. Go to Object and Expand. Press Shift X. Select Effect, Distort, and Roughen. Select Absolute and fill size and detail. Press A, and move this point. Select Object, and expand Appearance. Select Shift M, click in this shape. Delete this. Ungroup. And delete this. Go to File, Place, Insert Image. Press Ctrl-Shift opening square bracket to send to back. Set position. Select, right-click, and make clipping mask. Fill this with white color and no stroke. Select, right-click and group. Select, go to Effect, and add drop shadow. You can follow this setting. Add rectangular grid. Follow this setting. Change stroke color. Put it here. Select and press Ctrl-Shift opening square bracket to send to back. Insert text. Copy this. Add Instagram icon here. Set this space. Go to View and activate Trim View. Finish. OK. Thanks for watching to the end. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Turn on the bell to get the latest updates from this channel.